Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. I'm back again this morning with even more deals, more coupon matchups, and we even have a couple of glitches to talk about. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for next Saturday, which is January the 14th. Now next up we have a 3 off 2 for the Olay or Ivory body wash. So the Ivory body wash is priced at $6 each. After the coupon you're going to pay $9 for 2, but those are some pretty big bottles. Now, I have not clipped my $3.30 off 2 Febreze coupon to this account yet because I am using my insert coupons first because I believe those expire next Saturday on the 14th, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to wait to clip that one. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Bic razors. So if you want to pick up the women's Soleil razors, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. If you want to pick up the men's Flex 3 razors, those are priced at just $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Now, I was just telling one of my friends yesterday that we have not had any razor deals at Dollar General in a really long time. So definitely go ahead and clip that one to your account. We have a 1 off 1 for the Dove hand soaps. So these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. But here in just a few seconds, you're going to see that we do have a Dove DG store coupon. So that is a 2 off 9. So we can definitely come up with some deals on that. Now, I have not seen the insert coupons for today just yet. So you guys may want to check your insert coupons to see if you have any higher value Dove or Unilever coupons before you clip those to your account. Alright. Now next up we have a 2 off 6 on the Suave products. This is working on a lot of different products. Everything from the 1.4 ounce deodorants that are priced at $1.35 each, all the way up to the shampoos and the body washes that are priced at $5. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have a 2 off 1 for the Shea Moisture products. That one isn't showing as attaching to anything just yet, but maybe it will in store once we scan some items. Now there's a couple of old coupons. We have a 2 off 1 for the Mucinex products. If you want to pick up the 4 count, those are priced at $4.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. We have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We have 50 cents off for the Huggies wipes. Those are priced at $2.65. We have a 1 off 1 for the Charmin bath tissue 12 count. Those are on sale this week for $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. And the same thing with the Bounty Essential paper towels 6 count. Those are priced at $5.95 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. And keep in mind that 5 off 25 DG store coupon on the Bounty, the Vicks, the Microban, that coupon does expire today. Alright, moving on, we have another 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eyeliner products. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, same thing, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions. Now, these are priced at $5.75, so after this coupon's applied, you're going to pay $3.75. However, double check your account because on mine, I have a higher value 3 off 1, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one. Next up, 3 off 2 for the Kotex products. So these start out at $3.65. Pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.30 for 2. And we may still have that fetch bonus on our accounts. You just have to double check. Alright, we've got 35 cents off for the Wonder Bread, 50 cents off for the Cheetos. We've got Nature's Bounty, Act mouthwash. We have 1 off 4 for the Knorr pasta sides. Those are priced at $1.25 each. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 1 for the Huggies diapers. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. We also have 1 off 1 for the Poise, 2 off 1 for the Icy Hot. So if you want to pick up the Roll-On Icy Hot, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those are priced at $6.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. Then we also have a pretty high value coupon on the pull-ups. It's a 3 off 1. So those are priced at $11.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Now we also have a 5 off 2 for the Ensure multi-packs. Those are priced at $10.75, just in case anybody's wondering. Then we also have a 2 off 1 for the Asper-Cream. If you want to pick up the cream, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Alright, we have a 1 off 1 for the Zantac, 1 off 1 for the Depends, 2 off 1 for the Unison products. So if you want to pick up the 15 count, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. So pretty good little deal there. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Charmin 6 count Mega Rolls bath tissue. Those are also on sale, $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. We have a 3 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Those are priced at $10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have a 3 off 1 for the Airborne, 4 off 1 for the Asper-Cream. Now this is for the gel. These are priced at $10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6. Then we also have a 3 off 1 for the Folgers coffee. These are priced at $10.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75. And keep in mind, when you spend $10 on Folgers products, you're going to get a Clover Valley creamer for free. Alright. Now, we need to talk about this 25-cent off one for the Swiffer Wet Jet Liquid Refill. You do not want to clip that one to your account because that is a super low value coupon. I'm not even sure why they gave it to us. So, reason why you don't want to clip that one is because we have this $10 coupon right here and this one is glitching. So it is supposed to be $10 off when you purchase one Swiffer Wet Jet starter kit and one refill. However, it is glitching and it is working whenever you pick up 2 of the refills. I went over all the details in this morning's video with you all, but just as a quick rundown, if you want to pick up the 12 count pads, some of them are priced at $12 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $14 for 2. Some of the 12 count refills are priced at $10 each. So you can pick up 2 of those, use that coupon and pay $10 for 2. Or you can pick up the liquid refills. Those are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you are going to pay $3.50 for 2. So again, if you guys want visuals and all the details and a couple of tips and tricks, make sure that you go back and check out my video from this morning if you haven't already. Alright, now moving on, we have a 1 off 1 for the Dove hair care products. These are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have a 3 off 1 for the 6-star products, a 1 off 1 for the Tresemme products. So the Tresemmes, these are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have a 2 off 1 for the Dove deodorants. These start out at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And keep in mind, we do have that DG store coupon that y'all are going to see in a second. Next up, 4 off 1 for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. This one isn't showing as attaching in the app, but I will scan that whenever I go into the store this morning if I can find it. But that's definitely a high value coupon. Go ahead and clip it to your account. Alright, moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Coca-Cola 12 packs. Now, pay attention because this one does say DG Store right underneath the expiration date. I was thinking it was a manufacturer coupon when I first saw it, but it is a DG Store coupon. So, this one is glitching and it is working on the Dr. Pepper 12 packs. So, those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you'd pay $5.50. However, the Dr. Peppers are on sale 2 for $12 this week. So, after that coupon, you would pay $10 for 2 Dr. Pepper 12 packs. Now, it also works on the Coca-Cola as well. So, moving on down, we talked about the Chef Boyardee DG Store coupon last week. There is that DG Store coupon for the Dove products, so definitely go ahead and clip that one. We also have this DG Store coupon for 1 off 2 of the Coca-Cola products. So, this one is also glitching. The Coca-Cola 12 packs are on sale this week, 2 for $13. So, after this coupon's applied, you're going to pay $12 for 2. But, like I said, this coupon is glitching. It is working on the Fanta 20 ounces. Those are priced at $1.75. So, pick up 2, use the coupon. You're going to pay $2.50 for 2. Alright, moving on down, we have some cold and flu medicine. We have a 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the vitamin D3 60 count, those are priced at $2.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.15. We have 25% off of the Kiss lashes, and we have a new 5 off 30 Gain DG Store coupon. Now this one does expire this Saturday. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I'm going to get ready to run to Dollar General this morning, and I hope that you guys are too. Now if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I'll have a link for you in the pinned comment down below. And before you all go, you all know the drill. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure that your notifications are turned on. Do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.